dalawa ay alyong-alyo doon.
Fun to, panoorin nyo.
Let's watch.
Hello, my name is Marites. I don't want to say my last name. I want to protect my employers. This is hard for me. I've been working for the Super Friends for 18 months now. I don't want to talk bad, but I have to tell the truth. They treat me bad here sometimes. I come from Zamboanga to work for the Super Friends. I saw an ad, and I said, sure, I'll work for you, you superheroes. I'm sorry, it's hard. So I answered the ad, and I said yes, and then one of them picked me up right away. Wonder Woman, she came in her plane.
Hindi ka makapagsalita.
Kaya yung chicken, ang lakas ng trip ni, ni Rex Navarrete.
At syempre sasabihin ko talaga na gets ko na kung bakit alyong-alyo kayo. And that, of course, people, ang excerpt lang sa video na Marites versus the Super Friends. And of course, if you want to watch the full feature of it, please visit www.rexnavarrete.com.
And if you want to be featured in our show, or if you have anything to suggest, anything at all, you can email us once again at votitv@gmail.com or visit our website at www.votitv.multiply.com. Okay,
and
guys?
of course, join us again for another episode next week po. Tandaan po niyan, it's every Monday, 5 to 6 p.m. live po at the Global News Network channel.
Ginen, we're right
True.
here. Alright, see you next week.
See you next week. Bye, guys!
Bye-bye!